I'm Natalia Bonner. Welcome back. All right, I've been having a lot of fun lately with my new class, Beginner's Guide to Free-Motion Quilting. So of course, I have been obsessed with all things free-motion quilting. So in my new class, I'm teaching you over 50 free-motion quilting designs. I don't know if you've seen my book before, but my book, Beginner's Guide to Free-Motion Quilting, is the companion to this class. And in here and in the class, I teach you everything I wish I would have known when I started. So definitely check that out. I do teach so that anybody on any machine can learn and improve their machine quilting skills if you practice and work your way through my book and class, Beginner's Guide to Free-Motion Quilting. So you can enroll in that on our website, peaceandquilt.com. But as I've been working through this class, of course, my creativity just gets going wild, and it's really fun. And I hope you feel that way when you take classes too, that your brain just really starts getting super creative. So today I'm going to be showing you just a fun bonus design. This one's like a wave design. It's a great beginner-friendly design. It could be quilted as an edge-to-edge design across a full quilt, or you can shrink it down. I'm going to be quilting it here in about a 10-inch square. When I'm practicing, I like to work with controlled spaces. There's something about just having a defined space to work within that really makes the process, I think, a little bit easier. So I'll be quilting out this design, but like I said, you can shrink it down and use it as a background filler, or make it larger and use it all the way across a quilt. So I'll be doing my quilting here on my Gamble 22-inch machine. I will be stitching in the stitch regulated mode, and I do have my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. Let's hop over to the machine. This design is so much fun to quilt because it is so forgiving. Because I'm quilting here on a defined block, or if I was actually quilting this across a whole quilt or a background area, I like to start on the left side and work across from left to right. Now, because this also is a defined space, I'll probably actually work back and forth, right to left, or left to right, then right back to left. But if, let's say I were quilting this design across a whole entire quilt, I may actually stop each time when I get over to the right, just depending how it feels. So starting on the left side, I'll engage my machine, and I'm just going to free motion quilt a wavy line across my space. So once I get over here to the right side, I'm going to travel down the side, down my ditch, maybe about 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to start my next line, traveling now back over to the right side. And I'm not worried if my lines are crossing over each other. I am totally just having fun free motion quilting. I'm going to travel down one more time. Now you can really start this anywhere you wanted. I just chose to start up a little bit, so I'm filling in the bottom first, and then I'll go back up and finish the top portion of the block. Okay, so now I'll travel up here, and a good guide with a design like this. So here I have the Gamble open toe foot on, but if you travel up your ditch to about the spacing where the side of the foot hits the previous stitch line, that's about 1/4 of an inch, so that's good spacing in my opinion. I love how this is turning out. We're going to speed up the video just a bit, but just enjoy as I fill this in with these wavy lines. That design was a lot of fun to free motion quilt, and it actually goes really pretty fast. So if you're looking for something pretty fast, and really anybody on any machine could quilt that out, definitely try out that design. But don't forget to check out my brand new class, Beginner's Guide to Free Motion Quilting. I'm super duper excited about all of these new lessons. I think you're definitely going to find some inspiration there. Now, before you go though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be back soon with another fun machine quilting video.